This video will help you remember how to do division with the area model. And for the purposes of this video, we are going to do a question with a 3-digit dividend divided by a 1-digit divisor to get a quotient. So for example, for this example, let's do the question 765 divided by 4. And if you want to remember this one here we call the dividend. This is a divisor, and we want to get a quotient. So I look at my dividend and I notice it has 1, 2, 3 digits. So when I set up my area model, I want to be mindful that it's a big box that has 1, 2, 3. It's going to have space for 3 digits, so it's got to be big enough. Alrighty? And the first thing you do is you write your dividend 765 into the top left corner of the box, and you write your divisor 4 right here. Okay? So you're going to start off by focusing here on the 700. And you want to ask yourself, well, what is 7 divided by 4? How many times does 4 go into 7? And some kids, they like to just show it with their hands, like here is 7. How many 4s do you see in my fingers? And right there, there's 1 4. And so I'm going to write that 1 here. But remember, it is in the hundreds place, so it's not 1. It is 100. And then I ask myself, well, what is 100 times 4? And the answer is 400. So I'm going to subtract that, and I'm going to say, well, what's 5 minus 0? 5. What's 6 minus 0? 6. What's 7 minus 4? 3. And I'm going to circle my partial quotient and draw an arrow and a line. Alrighty. So when you look here carefully and you ask yourself, well, what is 3 divided by 4? Or another way of saying it, how many 4s are in 3? So I put my 3. Do you see any 4s here? No, it's just 3. So when it doesn't work in the 3, you've got to look at the 36. All right? What is 36 divided by 4? Or how many 4s are in 36? So I like to sing my 4 song till I get to 36 or as close to 36 as possible. And it's very important if you are new to division to use your fingers so you can keep track. Here we go. We're looking for 36. So you can yell from home, stop, when I get to 36. Here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Stop! We're at 36. How many fingers do I have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fingers. Now, what's important is that you did not go into the 3. You went into the 36. So we write the number 9 here. There were 0 4s in 3. 0 4s. I should have put that before. 4 does not go into 3 0 times, but 4 goes into 36 9 times perfectly. And what is 9 times 4? Or what is 4 times 9? Don't remember? Sing the song again. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, whoops, 24, 28, 32, 36. 4 times 9 was 36. But what's going on here? There are 2 empty spaces. Remember, we were not doing 36 divided by 4. We were doing 365 divided by 4. So it actually goes in 90 times. And 90 times 4 is 360. So now you put your minus symbol and your line and you say, what's 5 minus 0? 5. What's 6 minus 6? 0. What's 3 minus 3? 0. So now you've got this 5 and you're going to draw an arrow and another line and you put your 5 in. And what we've got here is a single digit, one number. And so you ask yourself, well, how many 4s are in 5? What is 5 divided by 4? Well, how many 4s do you see in my fingers? There's just one 4. So you write up here 1. What is 1 times 4? It is 4. And 5 minus 4 equals 1. So you want to add up now. You've got your 3 partial quotients. And I want to know what your quotient is. So you're going to come over here, write your biggest number, 100. And a good addition student puts lines in so they don't make a mistake here. Once you write in your 100, cross it off. Now, the 90. I put the 0 in so I don't make a mistake. I know that the 9 is a 10. It goes in the tens column. If this was hundreds, tens, ones. And now I've got a single 1, so it goes in the ones column. So I put that 1 in here. And I add up my partial quotients, and 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1. 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 0, that's 1. Okay, so we do have 191, but I remind you, down here, there was 1 left over. And that is your remainder. So your quotient in the end is 191, remainder 1. All right, my class, that is a reminder of how we divide using the area model. Over and out. Bye-bye.